Hi, I'm Max. In this playlist, I want to share my computers and advanced control technology lecture with you. In this video, you will get brief introduction about electrical control systems. Okay, let me share my computer screen with you.
Right, now we are going to talk about what are the controls available around us. So I have given you 4 control systems, right? So WLC. So what is WLC? We all are aware and we all are familiar with WLC. Even though we don't know we are dealing with WLC, but we all are aware about WLC. So let us take an example. Direct online motor starter. It's a doll starter. We call it doll starter. We all know that it has a logic. It has a logic. When you press start button, motor is starting. When you press stop button, motor is stopping. Even though we didn't call this WLC, we call it control circuit, right? It has a logic control. So early days, we obtained logic via hardware. So nowadays, we are talking about software, right? We call it softwaring. So when you move to softwaring, there are control systems, right? We can say WLC as a hardware wiring system. When you move to software wirings, right? Soft wirings, that is DLC, PLC and CNC. There are a lot more. Let us talk about only those 4, right? Including WLC, DLC, PLC and CNC, right? When you go to DLC, what is the meaning of DLC? I know you all are dealing with DLCs, right? You all are dealing with DLCs. I know that you all are playing with Arduinos and PIC. There are so many microcontrollers you all are involved with, right? Using we'll say Arduino, we are making a controller to control something. So once you make that controller, you don't call it Arduino. You are making a controller dedicatedly. That means only to control particular machine, right? Dedicatedly control a machine. So such a control we call dedicated logic control. As an example, domestic washing machine. It has a controller. You can set water level, right? You can set how long it will wash. So those are dedicated logic controls. Sometimes we have seen injection molding machines. We'll say elevator, lift has a controller that is dedicatedly control a lift. I think you can understand. You can't use lift controller to control a washing machine. I think it is clear. Dedicated means it is serving for particular purpose. You can't use that controller in other machine or to control another process. So that is dedicated control. PLC, once you go to PLC, you all know PLC is programmable logic controller, right? Programmable logic controller. It is controlling by our program. So the program is done by the programmer. So we will discuss further regarding PLCs in future. So let us move to CNC. CNC means computer numerical controller. Computer numerical controller. So when you say computer numerical controller, we know that there is a computer is involved, right? Computer is involved. The beauty of computer numerical control is it is much faster than all other controllers. Processing speed is very much faster than all other controllers. That is why we are using CNC controllers in CNC lathe machines, CNC milling machines, tufting machines, right? Which needs very fast response and fast data acquisition, right? So that is the brief introduction about controllers around us.
Okay, this is the end of this part of the lecture. See you in the next video. Goodbye.